Assalamu alaikum my lovelies, and welcome back to another full face tutorial. I did this look the other day and I thought I'll share it with you guys. Do give me a thumbs up if you like it and hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon to be notified for further videos. Now let's get started for this look. Starting with my eyes, I'm using this Benefit's Precisely My Brow Pencil and just combing through the hair and filling in any sparse areas. It takes me a little time because I want to perfect my brows. Basically, I just draw both under and over the brow and then fill any sparse areas while continue to comb through so the color is well blended and there's no harsh lines. Finally, I set them in place with the transparent brow mascara. To clean my brows and prep my lids, I'm using MAC's Soft Ochre Pink Pot. I'm applying and blending with a concealer brush all over the lid. Setting this with Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. Eyeshadow palettes that I'm using today are by Beauty Glazed. These are some very gorgeous palettes. This one is Saturn. You can see the colors, they are warm tones. The first color I'm going to apply is this one with a small fluffy brush, and I'm going to apply it on the outer corner and half lid of my eye. I'm not going exactly in the crease area, I am actually spreading this color all over the lid and crossing my crease as well. So I'm going above the crease and all over this outer corner. As you can see, I'm just blending it very nicely. I'm now using a clean brush to blend it further. To deepen this shade, I am going to add the next darker color, and with the same brush I'm just adding that color on top of the first one, but I will not cover the first color completely, I will stay inside. I'm blending this color very nicely as well, taking my time to do all the blending using the same brush. This look is more like a blown out look, so I'm focusing most of the color pigmentation and color payout in the outer corner and deepening that mostly. Pigmentation is really nice from these palettes. If you haven't tried these, do try them out. I quite like the color range and the pigmentation. I'm blending the edges with a clean brush. Taking the Jupiter palette from the same Beauty Glazed line, you can see the color collection here is also very nice. I am going to apply a shimmer on the inner part of the lid, but this color wasn't as strong as I wanted, so I decided to top it off with another shimmer. Back to the Saturn palette, I'm adding this gold shimmer with the brush this time and applying it all over the lid. And this I quite liked, so I just spread it all over the lid, and then with the fluffy brush I mixed the two colors together. Onto the face now, I'm first applying this Makeup Forever smoothing primer to blur my pores. Next, I'm using this Becca's Shimmering Skin Perfector in Moonstone and applying it all over the face and mainly focusing on the high points of the face. I did this video around Eid, so my mehndi is really fresh and vibrant in color. For my foundation, I wanted something very lightweight and breathable, so I chose this MAC Face and Body Foundation, which is very lightweight and skin-like. Because it's summer, it's very hot here. And the next thing I'm putting is, as usual, my under eye corrector, which is NARS. And just applying it with a brush and blending it well under the eyes and anywhere I needed a little bit of coverage. This way my face remains skin-like. My foundation is very light, but I still get extra coverage wherever I need some spot concealing. That's what I'm doing now. This is one of my favorite powders to set my under eyes from Hourglass. This is in diffused light. It instantly brightens up the under eye, as you can see here. For the rest of the face, I'm using Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder and just powdering the face very lightly. You don't need a lot of powder, but just enough to set your face. To bronze up my face, I'm using this NARS Laguna bronzer and just adding some dimensions on my cheeks and some contour on my nose. For blush, I'm again going with NARS More blush. I feel this is a very universal color for me. It goes absolutely with everything, and it's a very light dust of pink tone. Highlight of choice today is Becca's Shimmering Skin Perfector in Opal. Gorgeous, gorgeous highlight. Now to complete the eye look, I'm going to apply the same first color that I apply on the top lid on the bottom of the lashes with a smaller blending brush. I'm just blending this color very nicely all over the lower lash line. Make sure to connect it with the outer corners so that the whole look is seamless. Now to blend this color further, I am applying this light pink tone to just blend the edges so that there's a transition of this color as well. And cleaning all the edges, blending it well with a clean fluffy brush. This is my current favorite Inglot gel eyeliner with this angled tilted brush. It's really easy to apply and I'm absolutely in love with this eyeliner. I wanted to smudge the lower lash line, so I am using the dark brown shade with a very thin brush and smudging the eyeliner. For some reason the colors got faded here, but they'll come back to normal in a bit. And there you have it, my liners are done, my lashes are done, and time for a lipstick. This one is from Beauty Glazed in the color dark brown 118, but the color is really not that brown, it's more of a rusty brown tone, so I quite like this shade. So this completes the look, and all I need now is an outfit change and I'm ready to go. So guys, I hope you like this look. Do try it out and let me know if you like the outcome. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you are notified every time I post a video. And this is it for today's video, guys. Subscribe and share. See you next time. Bye.